Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You must stop and prioritize safety. Do not proceed with live contact tasks. You can learn the difference between neutral and earth without handling conductors. Once done reading, make sure to isolate power and call a qualified electrician for testing. You should know that neutral completes the circuit and earth is a protective path. However, you should not attempt live identification or bypass protective devices because mistakes can cause shock or fire. If you need verification, only allow trained personnel to perform the checks. You want to know how things behave. Neutral normally carries load return and may be near ground potential during operation, while earth is reserved for safety and should not carry continuous current. Once you grasp these roles, recognize that color coding and installation practices differ by country. Wrong assumptions are dangerous. Make sure to consult documentation or a professional for your jurisdiction. Do not interpret this as permission to test live circuits. Conceptual knowledge helps you communicate clearly with a qualified electrician. You should conclude by refusing DIY live testing and arranging professional verification. Once arranged, make sure the electrician isolates and tests safely using certified equipment. If you notice buzzing, burning smell, or sparks, stop using the circuit and evacuate potentially affected areas until a pro confirms safety. Keep photographs and clear labels once repaired so future identification is simple. If things still go wrong, ask the electrician for a written safety report and follow their remediation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.